I have the interest rate in percentage, the annual interest rate 3%, investment duration in months 36 and monthly deposit CHF for 500. So for this data, I have used the future value formula and calculated the future value. See, this is the formula FB future value rate, that is 3% divided by 12, comma, investment duration, that is D7, investment duration in month 36, that is D7, comma, and monthly deposit is minus D8, comma, so this is monthly deposit minus D8, comma, 0. So this is the future value. So I would like to use these values as monthly deposit and calculate the future value. For this, I will select the complete table with the formula and the values, and I click on data tab. In the data tab, I click on what if analysis and select data table, and row input cell, sorry, the column input cell, because the data is in columns. So I'll give the column input cell as the monthly deposit. So for this deposit, so this is the column input cell. So it will calculate this data table will calculate the future value for these values. Or if this is the monthly deposit, when what is the future value, it will calculate and display it. So this is the future value. These are the monthly deposits. Similarly, here also use the same formula, future value formula, and I have calculated the monthly future value for this uh, data, like the interest rate is 4%, investment duration 48, and monthly deposit is 50 CHF. I want to calculate it for these values which are in row. So for this, I will select these two tables, the data with the formula. I will select the data. This is the input with the formula, and click on data tab. In the data tab, click on what if analysis and data table, and the row input cell. The row input cell is the monthly deposit. This is the row input cell. Click on OK. You can see the result for this data. So this is the future value. If this is the monthly deposit, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, this is the future value of for this particular input. So this is the future value for this data, interest rate, investment duration, and monthly deposit of 1000 CHF. So I have put the investment duration in rows here, and also the monthly deposit in columns. So this is a different set of data actually. So for this, I want to calculate what is the future value. So for this, I will select the cell which has the formula in it, and also the different monthly deposit values and different investment duration values, that is rows and columns. I will click on the data tab. In the data tab, I click on data model, sorry, what if analysis, and click on data table. For the row input cell, I will give the investment duration, because the investment duration is in rows here. And for the column input cell, I will give the monthly deposit, because the column input cell is in the monthly deposit is in columns here, and click on OK. So this will calculate the future value for this particular data.